Students, welcome to social science class. Today let us continue lesson number 5, history lesson number 5, the Wadayars of Mysuru. Today let us start the class with Sir M. Visvesvaraya. Sir M. Visvesvaraya considered as the sculptor and creator of modern Mysuru, and he worked as the chief engineer of Mysuru from 1909 to 1912. Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar appointed him as the Diwan of Mysuru in 1912. During this period, in this time, Mysuru state progressed as per the vision of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar. And when the Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar was ruling that region, Mysuru region, that time it was progressed more, and he appointed Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar appointed Sri Visvesvaraya as the chief engineer of Mysuru. So many improvements or progress started in Mysuru. So he is known as the sculptor and creator of modern Mysuru. Industrialize or perish was the famous declaration of Sir M. Visvesvaraya, and he stated that sandalwood factory at Mysuru, soap factory, central industrial workshop, leather processing and metal factories were started in Bengaluru. In order to provide progress to trade and commerce, Mysuru Chamber of Commerce and Industry was started at Bengaluru, and Mysuru Bank was started in 1930 to provide support to the growth of industries. These all industries all started under the leadership of Sir Visvesvaraya, and he established an agricultural school at Hebbal, and the University of Mysuru also established in the year 1916, and it has achieved more success. And Kannada Sahitya Parishad also established in the year of 1950. The construction of KRS Dam was continued under the leadership of Sir Visvesvaraya, and it is got completed in the year of 1932. And the railway lines between Mysuru and Arasikare, Boringpetta and Kolar also started. Next one is Sir Mirza Ismail. Diwan Sir Mirza Ismail is also considered as one of the builders of modern Mysuru, and he also made so many progress in the Mysuru division. And Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, glass industry, Proclaim factory, fertilizer industry at Belgola, sugar factory at Mandya, matchstick factory at Shimoga, and iron and steel factory at Bhadravati. An airport was established at Jakkur. Radio station also were started Bengaluru and Mysuru under the leadership of Sir Mirza Ismail. And he also encouraged rural industries. A khadi production center also was established. The city of Mysuru was made the city of garden, and Brindavan garden also was established in front of the Krishnaraja Sagar Dam. And another so many institutions like National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosurgeon NIMHANS in Bangalore also started. Narasimharaja Hospital in Kolar, and McGann Hospital in Shimoga, Vanivilasa Hospital in Mysuru also started during his time. And primary education was encouraged, and primary education law was implemented. The private schools were offered aid to run the schools. Kannada medium education was offered in high schools. And so Sir Mirza Ismail was instrumental in the implementing the vision of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar. He also helped to implement the visions of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar. Sir Mirza Ismail was also the classmate of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar, and he was successful in translating the vision of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar. They were both friends and they were classmates. So he implemented all the ideas of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar into reality. After the death of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar, Jayachamraj Wadayar came into power, and he was the last ruler of Mysuru state. After the declaration of independence, Satyagraha started in front of the palace. What they demanded? They demanded for the inclusion of Mysuru state in the Indian Federation. under the leadership of K.C. Reddy. That is Satyagraha they made for what they made Satyagraha to include the Mysore state in the Indian Federation under the leadership of K.C. Reddy. That Satyagraha was under the leadership of K.C. Reddy. As a result, J. Chamarajendra Wadiyar accepted the demand to become the part of India. The responsible government came into existence under the leadership of K.C. Reddy on October 24, 1947. J. Chamarajendra Wadiyar of later became as the first governor of Mysore state. And this is the end of our lesson. And next class I'll send you notes. Thank you, students.